find out what it would be like if you lived here. All right, 16th Street. Well, I have passed this building so many times in my lifetime, Megan, and I've always wanted to see what's inside.
And now you're gonna get to see it as property number 1 today.
Super excited about that.
So this building is a Harry Wardman. It was built in 1917, and it's very Beaux Arts.
So what makes it a Beaux Arts style building?
Just looking from the outside, there are some amazing details, these arched windows. The units have these great balconies, and all of them have these beautiful French doors to outdoor space.
And they don't make them like this.
No, and you know, I'm just looking at the architectural detail on the windows.
Yeah.
Isn't that lovely?
And this has always been featured as one of the best addresses in DC.
Oh, that's
All right.
double cool.
Should we take a look inside?
Yes, lead the way.
All right.
Wow, this is not disappointing.
I did not expect it to be so open.
Yeah, me neither. And it's shocking because, you know, as a Wardman building, this is like open concept before there was open concept.
You know what also makes it feel so much more expansive are the high ceilings.
Let's start in the kitchen.
Okay, naturally.
Well, this is interesting.
I love how they've extended the kitchen kind of out into this area.
They sure how they bumped out the counter a little bit and added this cabinet.
All right, a good space.
Yeah, nice kitchen.
You know, it's not a huge kitchen, but you
No.
certainly don't feel cramped. Plus, plenty of cabinet space.
Yes, and they've put these nice little pools all over the place.
Yeah.
Nice little touch. You know, that glass tile really pulls your eye.
It's a pop.
It is for this kitchen. How about those counters, huh?
You know, these are the butcher block countertops,
Mm.
and I've always liked them. And they're really a cost-effective way of putting in a counter.
Are they hard to maintain?
As long as they're sealed right from the beginning, and you can condition them throughout the years.
Sounds like a lot of work.
It's not. It's
Okay,
not.
let's go see the rest of this
All
great
right.
place. And here we have a bedroom.
Oh, but not just a bedroom. Look how big it is.
This is huge.
And it has a full bath.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm guessing there's another full bedroom with an ensuite.
Well, let's go find it.
Ooh, but not before we check out the balcony.
Ah, look at this, a room with a view.
Okay, wow, what a view.
Oh, this is nice.
But also, when you're this high up, you really see the architectural details of this amazing building.
And the concrete work. These balconies are sturdy.
They are sturdy.
They are
okay?
rock sturdy and
All right,
ornate and
I would be
beautiful.
happy to enjoy my coffee out here every morning.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, but I think it's time to head on in.
All right.
Okay. It's
Well-
hard to come in from such a nice spot.
I know, there's even a breeze out there.
But
Beautiful.
this is an even nicer spot.
Yeah.
What a nice living area.
Well, there's so much living space in this place, but yes, very nice TV area. But it's the owner suite we were looking for, right?
It is, and it's just as big.
Mm-hmm.
It has its own bathroom.
Well, my favorite part is this window with those views.
That is amazing. And, you know, with the windows, obviously they've been updated, so, you know, they're cost efficient, but I love it that you can just open them and let the breeze come in.
So nice. I want to live here.
I wouldn't mind living here. Let's check out the bathroom.
Oh, this is nice.
Spacious enough. It does have a single sink, but
Sure does.
But you have 2 bathrooms.
We've got 2 bathrooms. It's move-in ready, and
You know, move-in ready is a good thing.
yes.
Okay, guys, so this was your first home tour in Mount Pleasant. How was it?
It's a great place. I love this open concept.
And the windows, the natural light coming in is spectacular. Now the big question, is there any parking?
So there's unassigned parking in the lot.
Oh, that's good.
There's not like just 5 spots outside that you have to battle for.
There's not 5. There's more than that.
And the metro is so close too, right?
It's just a few blocks from the Columbia Heights Metro, so green and yellow line just a few blocks away. This unit is about 1,300 square feet.
Okay.
2 bedrooms that are both very spacious, as you
Yes,
saw.
very
2 baths. Any other questions you have?
Condo fees.
Yeah.
The condo fees for this unit are $692 a month.
All right, Megan, got a price. In my head, the price is $640,000 on the nose. Oh, it's a good poker
I
face,
know.
Megan.
I was trying
Not
to
gonna
read
lie.
a little bit. You're not really helping.
Lots of
I
poker
was gonna
practice.
say.
Lots.
All right, I'm gonna go high. I probably regret it, but I'm gonna go on the high end. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Thank you for your support. I'm going to go in at $725,000.
So the list price for this unit was $665,000. So, John, you were very close to the list
That
price.
was lucky.
I can't wait to show you the next properties. They're both very different, but both in this wonderful neighborhood of Mount Pleasant.